Hello everyone. Today we will learn initial consonant blends FL. F makes the sound F. L makes the sound L. Together makes the sound FL. Let us practice initial consonant blends FL words. FL, hour, flower, FL, hour, flower, FLOWER, flower. Flight, 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 flight. Flutter, 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 flutter. Flamingo, 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 flamingo. Flipper, 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 flipper. Flicker, 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 flicker. Flexible, 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 flexible. Flavor, 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 flavor. Flatter, flatter, flatter.